Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Microsoft to do with your Microsoft or work account so lists sync everywhere. Once signed in, create a list immediately by clicking plus new list, name it clearly for your project, and pick a color or emoji to spot it fast. Then add tasks. Tap plus add a task, give a concise title, and open the task to add due dates and steps. This first setup gets your workspace organized and ready for focused execution. Once you have tasks, organize them. Use My Day to pick focus items and clear it at night so you start fresh. Make sure to add due dates for deadlines, reminders to get alerts, and set repeat for tasks like weekly reports. This automates follow-through. Use steps to break tasks into actionable subtasks, attach files or links in the notes area, and drag tasks between lists to reflect progress. These habits keep your day practical and reduce cognitive load. To finish workflows, share lists with teammates so everyone sees assigned tasks and updates. Invite collaborators and check notifications so work stays aligned. Mark tasks complete as you finish them. Use the completed view to review progress and restore items if needed. If syncing or sharing fails, sign out and sign back in, confirm the correct account is active, or clear app cache to force a refresh. That troubleshooting step resolves most problems so your lists stay reliable and current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.